IT as a service is not a new operational model. It has been around for several years. Due to the current state of technology, combined with the economic climate, this is the moment to embrace the concepts of an IT services organization. IT as a service is also not another cloud service model, like infrastructure as a service. It is an operating model, enabled by cloud technology, but not limited to cloud-only scenarios. It is actually a perfect fit with a complex, enterprise-level landscape, supported by a hybrid architecture. A traditional IT department is in charge of technical support and infrastructure management. In some companies, they are also in charge of software and application management. They also have to make sure no data is lost, and they are obviously in charge of security management. Sometimes, IT is also involved in user training. And, over the recent years, IT governance and compliance management became an important part of the role of IT. In an IT service organization, the focus of IT is on creating business value through innovation and continuous improvements. An agile and flexible way of working, while putting the customer at the center, in a cost-efficient way, drives this value creation. On top of making sure data is not lost, data governance becomes a key enabling function. To achieve all of this, the focus is on standardization and best practices setup and sharing. Last but not least, security remains crucial, but is extended to risk and compliance management. Why is this transition possible, or even recommended now, and not 20 years ago? Cloud technology supports and even enables this paradigm shift. Cloud technology offers the agility and flexibility to scale in a cost-efficient way. It facilitates innovation and experimentation by a different consumption model and offers global reach by design. Security and compliance management is at the core of the cloud platform. All of this allows to shift away from infrastructure management to service delivery, and as such, focus on business outcomes. A couple of years ago, cloud technology was positioned as a goal to achieve. In reality, cloud technology is not a goal as such. It's an enabler for a modern IT service organization that drives business value. A traditional IT department was the one-stop shop for everything IT related. They were directly connected to each business unit or business department, often also very loosely coupled and not really involved on the business side of things. In an IT services organization, we see that each business division has its own business IT team. Autonomous teams, something referred to as product teams, closely involved in the day-to-day business. How autonomous they are, or how much services are still delivered by the central team, is a key question. In some companies, very little, in some still quite a lot. It depends on maturity levels, strategic vision, and allocated budgets, just to name a few variables. Sometimes the level of centrally provided services is different by business entity or department. The key consideration is to have a solid understanding of the expectations and accountabilities amongst all actors. The agreement on what services are delivered by what entity is key to a smooth working and efficient IT service organization. The services are, at the lowest level, a set of tasks. One set of tasks rolls up in one activity, and a group of activities are bundled under a capability. In our model, we consolidate these capabilities in 6 domains: strategy, people, governance, platform, security, and operations. In total, we use 41 capabilities to define an IT services organization. A solid understanding of each capability is the foundation to set up such an organization. These 41 capabilities are pretty standard for each organization. The further decomposition in activities and tasks is much more organization-specific. Contact us to go more in detail on how this model can be turned into a pragmatic approach towards an IT service organization that drives business value.